Disassemble procedure. Remove nut on the TNC connector, so that the connector is not fastened to the redume base. Next, unscrew 12 screws along the peripheral by holding the redume top and bottom together. Remove redume top. Inside the redume base, remove the 2 screws and the small PCB holding the coax cable, and push TNC connector out of its mounting hole. Place the antenna upside down on a table and remove 6 screws holding the antenna to the redume base. The redume base can now be removed. Next step is to separate the 2 antenna parts, the upper RF section from the lower rotary joint section. Remove cable strips in 4 places. Use a small side cutter, and be careful not to damage any wires. Remove 5 coax connectors. Be very careful to pull the 4 MCX connectors straight up, and never break or twist the connectors. The QMX connector is removed by lifting in the locking ring. Free the cables from cable clips. Loosen 2 screws by holding the step motor. Loosen and remove 5 screws by holding top and bottom together. The top and bottom can now be separated.